What does Olmec Agro-Tech do? The Olmec Agro-Tech was established in June 2016 as an outlet and space for the Indigenous politics, governments, and the educational communities to access policies, resources and information on Indigenous Ethno ecological economic development related issue. The Olmec Agro-Tech mission is aimed at dismantling oligarchic capitalism, white supremacism, and empowering low-income and Indigenous communities through sustainable and local agriculture. Olmec Agro-Tech are working on these main projects: Therapeutic lifestyle changes, vocational trainings, inter-Africa development, Homestead family domain, space of love. Olmec Agro-Tech offers therapeutical lifestyle changes as an innovative treatment that uses plants and plant-related activities to assist in the rehabilitation of people with disabilities. Olmec Agro-Tech offers different hands-on vocational training from gardening, food preserving, food preparation and more. Healthy food preparation training program. Olmec Agro-Tech's training program is designed to help students who are passionate about making their own nutritious meals using organic ingredients. The program covers the main elements of food preparation, as well as the arts of culinary, food preservation, and how to produce a high-quality product. Students will learn various techniques of food preservations ranging from traditional to the most current technology. The Permaculture Market Gardening Training Program. One of the key learning outcomes for this training program is to have you take away a core set of permaculture market gardening concepts that can be used and scaled to your advantage. With several benefits with permaculture, our hope is that you're encouraged to start applying it to your own garden. Inter-Africa development. The vision for Ngulungu Outreach Training Centers is to provide Inter-Africa's technical training support for a market basket of commodities at the local level, as an expansion of our vision. Inter-Africa development goals. Develop other programs and initiatives that move community food systems forward in the region. Host regular Inter-Africa from the ground up training. Provide workshops and education to the local community. Create green jobs. And many more. Develop space of love and other programs and initiatives that move community food systems forward in the region. Homestead family domain. Our goal is to inspire communities in building sustainable food systems that are equitable and ecologically sound. We aim to create a just world, one food secure community at a time, through the utilization of Space of Love Family Domain Project. With comprehensive plans, it makes your kin's family homestead so easy. Life in Space of Love communities is organized in such a way that it allows successful and long-term self-sustainability for many generations. It also minimizes the environmental footprint of the individual. Get involved in our causes. Call us now to learn more about our projects. And don't forget to subscribe.